What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another Chick-fil-A review. And what do we got? We got a chicken sandwich, fries, and a side of Polynesian sauce. Waffles. Them good. Seasoned to perfection. Lots of salt. Man, they didn't put shit on my chicken sandwich. This motherfucker sad to bitch. Look. Look at this. You know, mayo on this motherfucker. It ain't nothing. It's bread and motherfucking meat. What's a bread and meat sandwich taste like? Ain't got shit. Let's see here. Let's put some fucking Chick-fil-A sauce on this bitch. Chick-fil-A never messed up on the order. They gave me Karen's order. This is Karen's chicken sandwich. And there's some pickles or something. Here's what it is. Is it good? It's okay. Would have been better with mayo and ketchup? Goddamn right. My chicken sandwich is drier than your Uncle Lips. Ketchup on this motherfucker. Some kind of condiments on this motherfucker. Real dry ass chicken sandwich. It's alright. A little too basic for me. I don't do. I like my chicken sandwich loaded with everything on it. This is a basic ass chicken sandwich. Just for a basic bitch. And I don't want it. My bitch ain't even basic. This is a basic bitch sandwich. Basic bitch chicken sandwich. Only thing I like is the french fries. Deuces, y'all.